everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys the deals I got. I am so excited. I think the zombie apocalypse has ended. I've been finally getting some good CRTs. Today was actually a haul that I was very proud of. Didn't turn out as good as my favorite at the end for price wise, but I'm still happy, and I did not pay with any of my money, so I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna break down and share with you guys all the deals that I got, and I will try to have a printable breakdown for you guys. Usually half the time it's not worth my time to do it, and there's tons of reasons why, but a lot of you guys have asked for it, and since I'm doing a ton of items this time, I will definitely share with you guys on that. So I didn't think this through, but it's still, I still wanted to do it anyways. So I had a $2 off a 10 beverage CRT. So I like to do those and then stack them with like Ibotta and all that stuff. So what I ended up doing is I got one of this Owen protein plant drink. This was $3.79. I was originally going to get two of these, but then I'm like, we haven't tried this, but my husband actually really likes this one, so I ended up getting two of these. These were $3.29, and I bought two of these, and then I ended up getting the Health Aid Pop, and this was $2.89. Now you can get away with not buying this or one or the other. I wasn't thinking straight, so I just did it this way, but then after I have it written down, but that's okay. So anyways, I bought all four of those. I used the 2 off of 10 beverage CRT that I had. I ended up paying $11.26 for those 4 items. Like I said, you could get away with not buying one of them, but with Ibotta you actually get $1 back. There's not a there's just a limit of 1, so you get $1 back with Ibotta. But with Aisle, if you guys don't know what Aisle is, if you just do like Aisle DesignerJen, I actually have a video that I explained it. I have a referral link below that you guys can click, and I think you get a bonus if you use that anyways. But you get $2 back with Aisle, so I ended up doing it that way because I thought this is a great deal for that. So $2 back. So I got 2 of them, so I'll get $4 back with Aisle for this one. With the Owen, that's how I'm saying it right, this was again $3.79, and there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, and then there is a $1 rebate with Aisle. So I'll get $1 back for that. Then there was this drink, the Health Aid. Now there was an Aisle deal in the past for this. I didn't see it on their website, but I will see if I get approved for it or not. I submitted my receipt, but it takes a bit because it's just 2 people, literally I think it's 3 employees, and they go through all those receipts themselves. But there might be a $1 rebate with Aisle, but there's definitely a $1 rebate with Ibotta. So I wanted to get that because I just want to get some Ibotta rebates. So after the $5 back you get with Aisle and the $3 back you get with Ibotta, your total comes out to be $3.26 or 81 cents. Like I said, you could get away with not having one of these. One of these you could have gotten away with not having, but I wasn't thinking of that when I was doing my breakdown. So yeah. So my husband likes those super coffee drinks. And I got 3 bags, you guys. I was so excited. I am close to hitting almost 50,000, and when I hit 50,000, I'm going to definitely be doing a lot of giveaways. So, yes. So I ended up getting a Chex Mix / Bugles CRT. My kids are obsessed with Chex Mix, and I know I can get them cheaper other places. So I'm like, okay, let's see what I can do. So the Chex Mix, they had the bigger bags for $3.49, and I was originally going to do that, and then I'm like, no, that's just too much out of my pocket because I can get it cheaper somewhere else. So I ended up getting the smaller bag. Now this was $1.99. And then I ended up getting 3 of the Bugles, and these were $1.19 each. I had a $2 off of 5 CRT for that, and then I used 2 50-cent off of 2 coupons that we got from our interns, I think last Sunday, I can't remember, but I ended up doing it that way just because, you know, I like the Bugles. I really like Bugles anyways. So I got those. And the final price came to be $2.56 or just 64 cents each. So I'm like, that's a decent deal. So I ended up doing that because, you know, with snacks and everything, and I've been hardcore into like organizing things lately, especially all like the foods and everything. Like that's what I like to do. I feel like the kids don't make a mess when I put it in containers. It's been so much easier with stuff like that. So I plan on doing some videos hopefully this week, sharing with you guys what I did. So I I also had the 5 off of 25 food deal, which I could have done with the Chex Mix, the drinks, and then the candy. And then I'm like, but wait a minute, I'm using 3 different CRTs, so that's $6, towards the other ones was $5. So I thought I'm not gonna separate it. So I ended up getting 2 of the Reese's Pieces and 1 of the Nestle Crunch. These were 3 for $8. I ended up using a 2 off of 8 candy, and then we also received the 2 off of 3 instant coupon printing from the Red Machine, making them $4 or just $1.33 a pack of candy. If you guys need to go ahead and do that. It is now that time where people are starting to buy candy for Halloween. I always like to buy stuff ahead. I've been trying not to get the stuff with the peanut butter, so that's what I'm going to start, you know, trying to trick or treat for, stuff with not as much peanut butter. I got the Halls. I've been really trying to, I have yet to try these. My son tried them when he was not feeling the greatest a couple months ago, but anyways, these were $2.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. I had $1 off of 2 insert coupon that we got today, and then I also had $1 off of 2 Halls CRT. Paid $2.48 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making both of these just 48 cents or 24 cents each. Great, great deal, especially now with people getting sick and colds and all that stuff. Okay, I got another bag for you. Another bag. So I ended up doing this monofoil again. This is just keeps on going. So these are on sale pretty much every single week for $9.90 or $9.99. You'd pay $9.99 for it. But then you get a $9 extra care buck back, making this just 99 cents. Now there is a $2 off printable coupon. I've yet to print it out because sometimes my store doesn't have them when I want to use the coupon, and then when I don't, they have them. So I didn't go ahead and do it. But anyways, 99 cents for this bottle is a pretty good deal. I think I get like 8 of them now. It's crazy, crazy. I got the Irish Springs. These were 2 for $8. I used a $1 off insert and a $1 off printable. I also had a 2 off of 2 Irish Springs CRT. Paid $4 for the both of these, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making these just $2 or $1 each. If you guys need to get some body wash, definitely go ahead and do that. So this deal ended up becoming okay. I could have gotten a little bit cheaper if I didn't do one of them, but that's fine. I'm totally fine with everything that I got. So I ended up getting the Garnier wipes. These were $6.79. I ended up getting the Garnier Green Labs Brightening Serum. So we're going to try this. And I got the one with pineapple because this is the one that seemed it was okay. We're going to try this, especially when it's $21. We're going to try it. So this was $21.49. I had a 2 of $5 off Garnier Green Lab CRT, but then I also had a 4 off of 25 CRT that I kind of wanted to use, so that's why I grabbed this, because I thought, you know, let's just use those CRTs, because I want to try to use as much CRTs and then I continue getting them. That's the reason why I did it. So I could have done that. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You just don't use the 4 off of 25. So that's what I did. And then I ended up getting the L'Oreal Age Perfect. I actually like really using this stuff. I prefer the Olay or the L'Oreal Revitalift over this stuff, but you know what? This stuff will still do good. This was $26.49. I ended up using 2 $6 off L'Oreal Age Perfect CRTs that I'm finally starting to get those again. And then I also used a 5 off of 25 L'Oreal Facial CRT. And then I also had a $2 off digital coupon. There is printables or there is an insert, but I used a $2 off digital. You would pay for all 3 items just $21.55, but then you get $15 when you spend $40 or more. So this ends up becoming $6.77 or $2.25. For something that's 26 bucks all the way down to 2, I will take it. Something $21 all the way down to 2, I will take it. This is an okay deal, but I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But this is products that I use all the time, and I'm excited to try the Green Labs because I've never tried it. So I was looking everywhere, up and down my store to try to find these One Poise boxes. After giving up, I finally found it, but these were $7.99. I had a $3 off insert coupon, and then I had a $3 off CRT that I used. Paid $1.99 for this, but then there is a $3 rebate with Ibotta. So this ends up becoming a $1.01 moneymaker. You guys will make a profit off of that. So I feel like I've been getting those like crazy, which I'm not complaining, not complaining. So the next deal I got is the L'Oreal Elvive for shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $8. I did use my CRT, my instant CRT that I got last week. I used that, but this week it's totally fine. It's still a decent deal. But 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we got. There's also printables, but you would pay $5 for the both of these, but then there is a $3 extra care buck that you get back, making just $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty good deal. And I like it how they have this taped for once, because they always pop open. So I got that. And then I just got 2 more scenario deals for you guys to share with. So let's keep going. So I got the CoverGirl. So all 3 of these were each $6.99, okay? I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got in today's inserts for the mascara. And then I had a lip one where I actually had a $2 off digital coupon for that. But then I also had a $2 off app coupon for lip. So I ended up doing that. And then with all 3 of them, I had a 6 off of 20 CoverGirl CRT. So I ended up using that also. So I paid $4.97 for these 3, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back when you spend, I think it was $18 or more. So this ends up becoming a $1.03 moneymaker. So I got those all for free. Yes. Okay, and then the last deal I got was the Revlon. I actually got some black nail polish because it's Halloween and I feel like let's just paint our nails black. And then I got this nice little teal that I thought was kind of cool. So these were $7.49. There's a deal where if you spend, was it $18? I can't remember what you needed to spend. Or 16 bucks? I don't remember. But anyways, there's a deal for you buy so much, you get so much back. So I ended up doing this. I had a $5 off any beauty, so I ended up using that. And then I used the $3 off instant coupon that we got today. Paid $6.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making this just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece, which I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I got those, and that was my haul. That was my haul. My total came to $19.72. I ended up using all of my all of my extra care bucks that I had, but again, I did not pay my own money out of this. I used my apps and all that stuff to get CVS gift cards, so I don't pay my own money for it. I ended up using $51 of extra care box, but I did receive $42 back. If I did the math right, I ended up getting $98.72 for beauty products, so I should be getting $9 back for beauty, so that kind of makes up for it, but I'm not factoring that in, but I think I'll get $9 next week for beauty. So with Ibotta, I received $6 back. That is for the Super Coffee, the Poise, the Health Aid, and then the Owen drinks. And then with Isle, I should be getting $5. I could be getting $6. We will see if that gets approved for this, but I will be getting $5 back with Isle. So my grand total came to $17.72. I got 27 items at just 65 cents each, but like I said, I could be getting $9 back, so technically this total would end up becoming like a $5 and something cents, possibly. No, $11. I can't count. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome week. See you later. Bye bye.